The third extraordinary session of the National and County Governments Coordinating Summit between the national government and county governments resolved to work together towards cushioning Kenyans from the economic shocks occasioned by the COVID-19 disease through various economic stimulus programs. Interior Cabinet Secretary Dr. Fred Matiang'i, who chairs the National Development Implementation and Communication Cabinet Committee, pledged additional support to border town counties to fortify their response to the pandemic and avert cross-border transmission of the virus.
This is a challenge that calls our county government to be a heartbeat away from our sick ones, with the national government giving you all the support that we can. If the moment has brought us this pandemic, so that we can embed health provisioning in the counties as envisioned in our constitution.
County governments have put in place restriction guidelines of social distancing, including the social gatherings at markets, hotels, churches. A total of 6.2 billion of county budget counties have been reallocated towards COVID-19 response.
Upon conclusion of consultations in the education sector on reopening of learning institutions, it was agreed a review of the academic calendar for the year 2020 shall be undertaken in consultation with the Council of Governors and all stakeholders in the education sector. County governments will facilitate 100% contact tracing by tracking confirmed cases of COVID-19 through logistical and operational support teams in sub-counties.
I believe that this extraordinary summit congregates to ponder and to sanction the development of time-bound protocols for the progressive reopening of our economy. And this is important because, ladies and gentlemen, the COVID-19 pandemic is both a health crisis, but it is also a crisis to our economy as well.
We have worked hand in hand with each and everyone sitting in this room because there is no county that has not been touched in one way or another.
In addition, all medical facilities across the country will remain open to offer essential health services, including reproductive health and immunization services in accordance with the Ministry of Health guidelines. County governments will be expected to implement and enhance awareness campaigns among residents through public sensitization campaigns.
We have given ourselves 30 days additional. And we have done this in order to ensure that our citizens remain safe. But I do believe that within that 30 days, each and every one of us must do that which is necessary to ensure that even as we open up in a manner that is safe, that protects our citizens, especially the elderly and those who have other ailments and ills.
The summit shall reconvene on Wednesday, the 17th June 2020, to consider the guidelines for gradual reopening of the economy and easing of containment measures to guide the progressive reopening of places of worship. For Channel One News, I'm Ben Troinjue.